Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox a modded Sony PlayStation Classic Mini. This is PS1 with over 450 games. It comes with only 20 from manufacturer, which is very few, too few, but we have here for 50 all the popular good stuff in here. I have another one in a gray box here. Let's take a look. We'll come back to it. So it comes with two wired controllers, all the buttons, everything. Console. Reset button works to save games. Power button. Open button is just for the looks. You cannot play any discs in here. It's USB controllers. You don't need any memory cards. Everything is saved to the console. Very small console. The console does not come with any power adapter, but we have here this one. Okay. HDMI cord. You can use any HDMI cord. If you have one longer, you need longer one or whatnot. Any HDMI cord is fine. And here we have a power cord with adapter for flash drive. So you have both slots free for the controllers. I'm gonna show you later how you connect everything. And flash drive has all the added games. So it comes with 20 from manufacturer, and 256 gigabyte flash drive has all the added games. And when you use it, all the games get mixed together and work same way. Here we have Verbatim. It's a good brand. It is very easy to connect it. So one controller here, another controller there, just like that. It says Sony here, so this is the way you connect them, not the other way around. Also, if you want a wireless controller, I remember Yoke and other brands were making wireless controllers for Sony, but Sony only made like this, wired ones. Power cord over here, connected, and HDMI cord over there. Easy, right? In case you got everything disconnected, it's easy to connect back. So you see this one from the adapter, you connect flash drive here. Then this is female micro USB, you connect power cord over there. The other side of this adapter goes into console. And this side goes into power adapter. Once again, the console did not come with any power adapter, so we're using this one, or like you can use one from iPhone or Samsung. Any good power adapter is good. Okay. We have everything connected now, so we can press the power button. You see, now it's green. If you are using it with the TV, make sure you choose correct input. In this case, it's this one. Now let's go through the games list. Over 450 games, so most of popular games are here. About 450, 460 is the limit. What can this console have? If you try to add more games, it's gonna stop working. So if you want to play some games that are not here, I suggest you buy a different console and figure everything yourself. There will be a games list in the description of this video. All the added games are mixed with the initial 20. A lot of Mortal Kombat you can see here. Some sports game, Need for Speed, Odd World, very popular. Resident Evil, several versions. Silent Hill, like all the popular stuff is in here. Star Wars, Street Fighter, so many versions. Tekken. Tomb Raider. Worms, everything. All the good stuff is in here. Let's play Tekken 3. This game already was here. And after that we're gonna try some of the added games.
Round 1. Fight.
If you want to save the game progress at any point in every game, what you can do is just press reset button on the console. I pressed reset button on the console and I got the save spot right there, you see, and it says, do you want to delete the existing resume point and save a new one? Yes. And we have it here. To continue playing it, you just press X and you play. Easy. And each game has its own save slots. To access save slots, just press down and here we go. And then you press X to choose it, and then the game gonna load back to the exact same point where I lost.
You lose.
I pressed reset button again, and you see the guy is in exact same position as he was. Do you want to save it? Let's say no. I don't want. Every game has its own save slot. See over here, we have another one. We have another game, we have another. And so you can have saves for every game. Let's try something new, something that was not initially here. That's gonna be... The console had Twisted Metal 2, but we're gonna play 4. Twisted Metal 4 is a great game about cars. I just chose like the very first car and everything. I'm gonna fight some cars, bro. This is a teleport, okay. Again, if you want to save the game, just press reset button, just like that, reset button. Wait a second, and then here we have a resume point. Just like that. And then you can continue. You want to quit the game? Same way. You press reset button, and you're like, for example, if you don't want, you press yes, or you press no, you say no, and then let's play something else, just like that. You don't have this game, huh? This is more of a PC game, obviously. It has Dark Portal, everything. Okay, I'm gonna skip the intro.
Due to your position as regional commander,
Build for farms and barracks. Okay, we can do it. We can build a barrack.
alright. As you wish.
It's actually so much easier with the mouse and keyboard.
As you wish.
All the strategy games.
As you wish.
We're gonna find some orcs here somewhere, right?
As you wish.
Here's one. Oh, it's two.
As you wish.
Oh, I lost one too.
As you wish. As you wish. As you wish. As you wish. Ready to serve.
Ready to serve.
What is it? Alright.
We have here the first Diablo.
I don't have a spell ready. I don't have a spell ready.
Grand Theft Auto 1 and 2. I'm gonna play GTA 2. Okay, we got the mission. It's definitely different from modern GTA 5. Very different. making donuts here in GTA.
and set out to take their wealth.
Money. We got some money. And we got a shield. Mortal Kombat.
Choose your destiny. Round one, fight. Wins.
Finally I win somebody.
Round two, fight.
Tomb Raider 2. Lara Croft.
And learn some new ones. That's not right. You need to press jump and forward together for me to clear the gap. Run back to the start and try again.
Great console, connects with HDMI, so will work on any modern TV or monitor. 2 controllers, reset button like this, saves every game. Most of popular games for PS1. It's great. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.